By the end of this video, you are going to learn how to make your own AI cinematic short. Let's get into it. We're going to be breaking down how I found this post and how we can recreate it. This is Marvel meets The Office. We're going to go to my channel here. And I posted this video the other day.
Crossover that yeah.
Weird watching yourself sometimes.
I'm just here for office culture.
I'm not going to show you the whole video because you can clearly see where it's at. I know people had questions on, hey, how do you do something like this? It's actually not that difficult, but if you've never done it, I'll show you where you need to get started. We will be using Higgsfield.ai. Now, this is the AI tool everybody's been talking about, and lately it's because it brings in all these cool AI models. I want to highlight is you have to learn and play and tinker with these AI tools to get better with them. They have a 500K action contest. I'm going to show you today is a foundational piece to get there. Where do we start? I started with image to video, and I really started with where do I want my story to start and finally end. We created images. We are here at Higgsfield.ai, and you can see here, I was using Nano Banana Pro. And what I like about this tool is I even wanted myself to be in it, but I thought this did a pretty good job. I wanted the Avengers with The Office and then myself. But like I said earlier, this was just a thumbnail. It's a little bit more involved than I thought it would be, but I'll try to speed run through my process here. You'll see I created different images. And if you're wondering, how did you even come up with these prompts? Again, we use AI for that. You just need to figure out which tools to navigate along your way. So here's my prompt. I want you to outline a scene from The Office, but it has the Avengers in it as a featured guest. I need the scene, the context, the prompt to generate the image. If I wanted to take what I made to the next level, I probably would have paid more attention to the dialogue. Use this approach. You can use whatever tool that you want, but use this approach if you really have no idea where to begin. Once you get started, and I got started with scene one, then I just started tweaking with it and started thinking out loud and started playing with it. I have a jet trying to be in an office setting, mockumentary. Then I started figuring out with Nano Banana Pro, you can just say, put the Quinjet, put an office reference image into the shot and have that work. You can see it has some images that are okay, but not really office episode vibes. Nano Banana Pro for images was the best one. And then if you couldn't figure it out, add in a reference image. I wanted Ham and Thor standing real close to each other. And this was the advantage of Nano Banana Pro when it came to images. Part one, figure out your storyboard. And then part two would be generate your images. And your images should really be the start of your scenes. You can get fancy with it and have the start and end of a scene. You can have scenes be more detailed where you have a push in or a pull out. If you don't know what to do, go watch an Office episode or a TV show and just try to replicate, take a screenshot. That's your image. I started figuring it out when I was able to get Creed to have a Hydra hat. This is Sea Dream and completely not at all what I was looking for. Took him outside and I was like, did I even say anything about being outside? But some got better. This was supposed to be Wanda and it's Captain Maximoff. It's weird, but this is a really good image. Once you have the images, you might be wondering, Caleb, how do I actually animate it? In Higgsfield, they just have the animate button. You just saw me press it. And then it takes you over to the video tab. And within here, you can have audio on. I had clean 2.6. You can generate. I'm going to use 20 tokens for you guys. This is going to generate, but as that's generating, let me just show you some clips and then I'll show you the final product. You can see here, I was using Clean 3.0. It took a while to figure out which model was doing better, but I felt like Clean 3.0 and 2.6 were giving me good audio, but also the facial recognition of the character and some consistency. That was really hard to accomplish. I think Google Veo 3.1 could have easily handled this because the images are so great, but Google won't let you do it. Enjoy this phase of AI where you can do these things because the companies will lock it down. That's what you have to deal with. Here, I think, is a really good one.
The god hit on a woman.
To make something like this, all I needed to do was keep the same prompt Up top, at the very bottom, Pam is blushing, saying exactly what she said. Audio, 5 seconds. I gave it a reference. I gave it a start frame. You gave it an end frame. Let me show you some bad ones so you have an idea what to avoid.
Black Widow is a Russian spy, and no one believes him except his future self.
I was trying to do a Dwight talking to the future version of himself, but it just didn't work out. I also added a reference image thinking it could figure out these two. It just didn't work. Wham was able to give me longer scenes. I did have some that were 20 plus seconds, but
Tony Stark is
that one's pretty good in my opinion. But then there are some bad ones.
these G metrics. Best surprise ever. The whole lot.
Again, that was Grok. Almost the Temu with version of Michael Scott. But that is the process, guys. You have to go image by image. So let's recap what we've covered so far. Storyboard, structure, figuring out what are the shots going to be. Then creating the images. And if you're using Higgsfield, which I will have a link in the description, and you do create image, you will get a variety of images. You want to find consistency. And then you want to animate the image. You just want to put it together.
Michael Scott, his best friend, Tony Stark, is here with Captain America.
These heroes aren't salespeople. What do they know about selling paper products?
Oh my god. How often does a god hit on a woman?
Back to work, everybody.
I love you, Tony.
Just try some adding building. Awk.
I actually saw Captain America at a meeting once.
Aaron, stop filming me.
Oh no, my chili.
I can do this all day. Identity theft is not a joke. Black Widow is a Russian assassin.
Kelly, I love you.
And there you have it, guys. That's the video. If you stuck around this long, thank you so much. And let me know in the comment section below what other AI topic and tools you want to see me break down. Tech out.